Gönüllerde hasretin var, yürekler aşkla çarpar. Sensiz dünya bizlere dar. Selim sana ilk kutuluyor. Where summation, faith and patience, you convey the noble message. Brought as light through your guidance. Peace be upon you, my beloved.
أشد على أياديكم وأبوس الأرض تحت نعالكم وأقول أفديكم وأهديكم ضياء عيني ودفء القلب أعطيكم وأهديكم ضياء عيني ودفء القلب.
Schedule is just fixed. We're looking at something between 8 and 10 ports in various countries. But we are going south, heading for Gaza.
They're the one breaking the law. I'm just honoring international law. I'm honoring the Security Council resolutions. There's been a number of them saying that the Israelis have to let aid into Gaza. They have to, and you know, and if they're stopping us, then they're breaking international law. We have international law on our side. The Israelis have the law of the jungle. They have the law of might makes right. And let's hope that the Israelis, that their calmer heads will prevail and they'll simply let us go in. Because if they stop us, we're simply going to come back. You know, the people on this ship, we don't bluff. You know, we've taken on a task and we're going to finish it, and we'll just keep on coming back until we get in. So you may as well let us in now. We're going to get in eventually.
Where summation, faith and patience, you convey the noble message. Brought as light through your guidance. Peace be upon you, my beloved. Ya Habib.